and most underrated at least. So since we have cards like the Snowy Egret or the Willet, good amount of points, very cheap, and like a 25% chance of getting a point every time you use it, especially early game when you can cycle through cards. Next we have the best predatory bird in the game, Peregrine Falcon, Saber-Tooth, Northern Harrier, good chance of getting a card every turn. Next you have all of the cash and tuck cards, where you draw a card and then you tuck a card. Then we have the two best cards in the game, Chickadee. Every time these are played, that's one extra point. We have the most underrated Woodpecker, and one of the most underrated cards in the forest area. So many tuck cards. The Golden Eagle, it's like the Peregrine Falcon. There's like another card like that called the Great Horned Owl. And also we have 9 points for 3 resources, end game, but also like the Crow's ability, which is pretty overpowered. So, tell me, what is the most underrated card in Wingspan?